gathering to ensure a fun time is had by all. The lightweight design of the Endzone Challenge target toss makes it one of the best portable lawn games out there. Quick and easy assembly. With the lightweight and durable design of the tubing, you can play in just minutes. All you need to do is insert the tubes into the connectors and slide on the fabric playing surface. Once completed, you are ready to play. Includes 4 footballs and 4 flying discs. The Endzone Challenge target toss game set comes with 4 foam footballs, 4 plastic discs. Great way to practice your toss skills on your own or compete with friends. Keep track of scores with the slidable scorer. Sport Squad. Bringing family and friends together. As an American-based company, Sport Squad brings new innovation to playing indoors and outdoors by introducing affordable, quality sports, lawn, tailgate, carnival, and game room games to market. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect office gift. I am the only female at our office of 20 men. Every year they always give me the best Christmas gift. It's really hard trying to find something they all can enjoy and which would be a great stress reliever on breaks. I came across this during my search and the reviews seemed positive, so I decided to go with it. It was given to them early, just because I didn't have room to keep it at home, and they love it. I was worried it might seem cheesy, but it's not. It's very sturdy and doesn't fall over even with as hard as they are throwing. Every time I see them using it, it makes me smile because I got it right.